Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find Gallery on Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G. There are multiple different apps that you can use as a gallery on this device. The first one is Photos app that should be located over here in the home screen. And if you go over here, you will immediately open Photos. Over here you have the timeline or the time range. And of course you can tap on a photo in order to open it and so on and so forth. You can also switch to albums in order to find them grouped. And another app that you can use is actually an app by Google that is called pretty much the same way, so Photos as well. But this one is of course made by Google. It looks pretty similar. Oops, let's go back and let's continue without backup. Let's don't start the trial, we don't need that. And over here, as you can see, like I said, it looks pretty similar. We also have photos. We can also switch to memories in order to create own memories. We can go to library in order to find categories, and we can also create own albums over here, and so on and so forth. Another app that we can use is called My Files, and here we can just go to photos in order to find all photos. This one also includes not just photos but also videos. I mean, videos are also included in the Photos app that I showed you before, but in this case, in addition to photos and videos, we also have audio files, documents, installation files, and so on and so forth. So we can find pretty much everything in this app. If needed, then of course we can find, like I said, the audio files and so on and so forth. Over here we also have different categories, so it's definitely pretty cool app to use, especially if you prefer to find everything in one place. And that's pretty much it. And the last app that you can use by default, of course, that is installed by default on this app, is Files by Google, and this one is similar to My Files. Over here we can see the categories, we can see the recent files that have been added on our device. We can tap images in order to find all images. Over here at the top we have categories. We can also switch the view like so. We can also go to videos in order to open all videos. We have audio files, documents, downloads, and so on and so forth. We also have the save folder over here, and like I said, it looks pretty similar to the app before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.